Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equals BC and a vertex angle of 120 degrees. Let AB equals BC equals x. Point D lies inside the triangle with AD equals 8, BD equals 4, and CD equals 4 square root 7. The goal is to find x. And now for the solution. Rotate the figure 120 degrees counterclockwise about point B. Let the images be A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Since AB equals BC and angle ABC equals 120 degrees, point C prime will coincide with A and B prime will coincide with B. The rotation sends BD to BD prime, so angle D prime BD equals 120 degrees. Now, join D prime to D and consider triangle DD prime B. Since BD prime equals BD equals 4, triangle DD prime B is isosceles, so the base angles are equal. Therefore, angle BDD prime equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees divided by 2, which equals 30 degrees. Next, let us apply the law of cosines to triangle BDD prime. Given a triangle with these dimensions, the law tells us that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine alpha. Using the law of cosines, we have dd prime squared equals 4 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 4 times 4 cosine 120 degrees. Since cosine 120 degrees equals minus half, we get dd prime squared equals 16 plus 16 plus 16, which equals 48. So dd prime equals 4 square root 3. Next, consider triangle AD prime D. AD prime squared equals 4 square root 7 squared equals 112. And D prime D squared plus DA squared equals 4 square root 3 squared plus 8 squared, which equals 48 plus 64, which equals 112. Since AD prime squared equals D prime D squared plus DA squared, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle AD prime D is right angled at D. So angle D prime DA equals 90 degrees. Finally, consider triangle ABD. Angle BDA equals 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, which equals 120 degrees. Now, apply the law of cosines. This gives us x squared equals 8 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 8 times 4 cosine 120 degrees, or x squared equals 64 plus 16 plus 32. Therefore, x squared equals 112. Taking the square root, we have x equals 4 square root 7, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.